Cameron Kennedy. I'm with Searcy, Denny, Scroll, Barnhart, and Shipley. We're in the Tallahassee office located in the panhandle of Florida. Accidents involving semi-trucks, 18-wheelers, are some of the most deadly that happen on the highways. And over the years, our law firm has represented many families where their loved ones were injured or killed in a semi-truck accident. And we feel strongly about making sure that those cases are brought to get justice for the people involved. Whether you're a small trucking company or some of the largest ones in the nation, the #1 goal is to get the cargo to its destination as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Unfortunately, what that leads to is abuses in the way that the truck drivers are getting those goods and services to their destination. Drivers are not permitted to drive more than 12 hours in a day, according to federal, state laws. Oftentimes, these companies will push their drivers beyond those hours to meet a quota or to make a delivery on time. These drivers that are doing these long-haul trips, going on these long destination rides day after day after day, you understand they get tired. They fall asleep, they get distracted, and the consequences of that are typically deadly. Some of the other advancements in these semi-trucks to accommodate the drivers is they have onboard computers, laptops, that look very similar to those types of laptops that you see in police cruisers. And the information from the trucking company is constantly streaming into this that the truck driver has to answer, has to respond to. He's getting his bills of lading, his destination, change orders, rerouting instructions, all through this computer. And it requires the truck driver oftentimes to look at the screen. Oftentimes they have to key in a response on the keyboard. Many times they have to make a phone call back to their trucking company to find out where they need to go if there's been a change. All of these things lead to distracted drivers. And the scariest thing is a distracted driver driving a minivan is deadly. Put 80,000 pounds behind it on an 18-wheeler, and it's incredibly dangerous. So if you don't know where to look, and if you don't know what type of information you're looking for, you can't successfully represent somebody involved in an accident with a semi-truck. So it's a highly specialized type of law that and the lawyers that handle these types of cases typically have handled dozens and dozens of them. They've got experts that they've worked with. They have folks that used to be in the trucking industry that are now involved in private consulting that allow us to leave no stone unturned and to make sure that we have all the information necessary to achieve justice for our clients.